Hi everyone. If you are a parent to a toddler, then stay with me and watch this video. Did you know we launched the first of its kind jumbo brushes for toddlers? Here they are. Aren't they cute? I'm going to share some tips on how you can use these brushes with your little ones. So how do you introduce these brushes to your little one? Sing with your little baby. Dip, dip, dip and tap, tap, tap and walk all over the paper, run all over the paper, jump all over the paper. Allow them to explore with all their senses. And let's get started with some dabbling. Use the Dabble finger paints, shake it and squeeze it and paint with it. Let them mix two colors and create a whole new color and learn the science of colors. A 1-year-old doesn't grip a brush like this. They grasp it this way with their entire palm, and that is why our jumbo brushes come in a bulb shape which is easy to grasp with no strain on hands. Allow them to explore with both their hands and paint. It engages both the left and right side of their brain and develops hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. I hope you have fun bonding with your little one. Happy dabbling!